Very good morning, students. Be careful. Today we are going to think about the unpopular and controversial law. The two laws are how the when we are making the laws, if it is becoming very unpopular and controversial, then what will happen? Who will take care about that one? We are going to see. Let us now look at the situation where the parliament passes law that run out of to be very unpopular. Last year CAA bill came like that, the citizenship bill, and in that government is saying like that some of the people, those who others some religious people or some group of people, they are not Indians like that. Sometimes a law can be continuously constitutionally valid and hence legal, but it can continue to be unpopular and unacceptable to the people because they feel that the intention behind it is unfair and harmful. Even though the rules made by parliament, it may be constitutional way and as well as it is legal, but it will feel like that it is intention behind that law making, it is not proper way, it is harmful to the people. Hence, people might criticize the law even when we are making the new leader in the classroom, when teachers are saying some new laws in the class, some regulations in the class, we are used to criticize. Then what about all Indian level the laws? If the laws are good for the people, then also some people. Now we know the government schools, they are providing free cycle, free laptop. That also the people, they used to criticize. Those who are studying in government school, they themselves may criticize, we are not getting the quality of education and this and that like that. And private school students also, we used to criticize our teachers, our school system and other things. It is quite natural. Even we are criticizing our parents as a 8th standard student. So holding public meeting and write about in newspaper and report to TV news channels, etc. Then if the law is that much a controversial one, then what the people they will do? They are calling the public meetings and they are giving report in the newspaper and even giving report in the TV and news channels. Nowadays we know 24 hours news channels are there, and other channels like DD means everything mixed, movie, serials, then news, everything it is mixed like that. Channels also available, and we used to approach them to get attention from the government. In democracy like ours, citizens can express their unwillingness to accept the repressive law framed by the parliament. If we are feeling that the law made by the government, it is used to repress the people or suppress the people or against the people or making some of the group of people, they want to suffer a lot, like that situation we can express our unwillingness to accept the law which is making suffer very much. And when a large number of people begin to feel that the wrong law has been passed, then there is a pressure on the parliament to change this. If the government is taken the decision and majority of the people, they are feeling like that it is not in a proper way, then what the parliament is getting the situation like that, rethink about the law what they made. They want to amend that law or change the law or modify the law. For example, various municipal laws on the use of space within the municipal limits often make hawking and street vending illegal. Means according to the Building Construction Act, construction program of the government, it may be in municipality area or in panchayat area, and here we are saying about the municipality law and the area space how should use, and the street side like that things. If we are thinking we know that if you are going to Karur or any other cities, we can see many people, they are sitting in the streets and selling things. Even in bus stand where it made for to wait for the people, waiting sheds, it is full of shops and shopkeepers like that we can see. It may be permanent one or temporary one. Some people, they are coming with fruits and sitting for some hours and going like that situation we can see. So no one will dispute the necessity for the some rules to keep the public space open so that people can walk on the pavement easily. Means the walking people, the pedestrians, they want to walk freely. Like that area should be kept for the people, those who are walking in the street, in the main roads, like the municipality or in the cities or in the towns. Normally no, we want means the ice cream people or like that small petty things they are bringing and standing in the street, which is meant for the area where it meant for the walking space, that is covered with the shops, and the walking people, they are suffering a lot, and surely there should be a law related to that. And how then no one cannot deny the hawker and vendors provide essential service cheaply and effectively to the millions living in the large city. And we are not denying that one, that people, they are the hawkers and the vendors, they are giving the good service to us. We are not denying that one, but what we want to do, they want to keep some space for the people, those who want to walk. This selling of things, petty things, that is their livelihood for them. We know that in the early morning the vegetable sellers, they are coming with small vehicles, or in the head they are keeping the vegetable basket and coming into the areas, or milk people, even milk ladies, or the what we can say curd ladies, they are coming in the early morning itself and they are selling the things. And we need it sometimes. Every day we can't make a curd at home. Sometimes it is some guest is going to come, like that we got the news, then we are depending on like these people. So it is needed for us also, and that people also earning livelihood from this activity. Hence, if the law favor one group and disregard the other, it will be the controversial and can approach the court to decide on issue. If the municipality is saying like that, the walking area should be kept for walking people only, no street vendors should not come there. And the people, those who are walking that area, they are feeling hungry and they want to get some fruits. If fruit sellers are there in that area, then only we can purchase very easily. So the when the municipality is making law, according to that, they want to keep some space for the in between the pavement area for the pedestrians, and some area it is should kept for the vendors and the hawkers. Then the problem we can solve. Instead of that, the municipality is making law only for the working people or only for the vendors. Then it will become the controversial one, and there will be some conflict in the society also. People who think that the law is not fair can approach the court to decide the issues. If the people, they are thinking like the law made by panchayat or municipality or state, and it is not good for all people, it is controversial one, then they can approach the court. And the court has the power to modify or cancel law if it finds that they don't adhere the constitution. If the court is seeing like that the law made by the municipality or panchayat, there is some violation of constitutional articles or like that something, means they can cancel the new law. At the same time, they can make some of the modification or changes in the law if they are feeling like that it is not proper way like that. Then we can see some of the pictures here. Read the newspaper or watch TV news on TV for a week and find out if there are any unpopular law that people in India and around in the world are currently protesting. Now we can't see like that any news, only we are seeing the news of this one, only corona news we are seeing nowadays. No other news we are not getting anything else, so we can't do that activity. Then list the three forms of protest that you seen in the above photos. In the photos, they are protesting in three forms. What are they? And you want to name it and want to find out the details of that one. Then we can see here in the right side of your textbook, it is given like that. As you read the earlier section on the rule of law, Indian nationalists protest and criticize arbitrary and repressive law being enforced by the British. And we know they are criticizing the law, what the law made by the British people. And history provides us with several examples of people and communities who have struggled to end unjust law. We know the Raja Ram Mohan Roy, like that many people, those who work for the to get justice in the society. And in your class 7 book you read about Rosa Parks, an Afro-American woman refused to give up her seat on the bus to a white man, and on 1st December 1955, she was protesting the law of segregation that divided up all the public spaces, including the streets, between the white and the Afro-Americans. Means there was a problem in America. There was the groupism like that, white and blacks, or in other words we can say Americans and Afro-Americans, and she was not ready to support that rule, and she want to disobey that rule. That's why she was not ready to give seat in the bus when the one white person came and asked that seat. That we have read already in 7th standard. And her refusal was very key event that marked as a starting of the civil disobedience civil right movement in America, civil right movement which led to the Civil Right Act in 1964. She refused the seat in 1955, and the act came in America by after 10 years, that is 1964. What is the name of the act? Civil Right Act. And who prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion, national origin in USA. And with this act, what they got, they prohibited the discrimination on the basis of race, religion, national origin in USA. Means in America, the people, they can't make the discrimination because of their race. They are from European race, or it is from African race or American race, in means red Indians, like that. Racism should not happen. And religion, if it is Muslim or Hindu or Christian or Buddhist, like that, groups also should not demand. Even national origin, they are from, basically they are from which area, like that things also. Because in the American continent we can see the many European country peoples are there, many African country peoples are there, so they should not think about the origin of their national origin and other things. Okay, we will continue in next video.